Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Anthem for affordable health plans, beginner guide step by step clearly. To use Anthem for affordable health plans, start by visiting the Anthem website. Click on the Get Started or Shop Plans button. You may be prompted to enter your zip code to see plans available in your area. Fill out the required information to create an account. Once your account is set up, log in to access the health plan options. Browse through the various plans offered, keeping in mind your health needs and budget. Consider factors such as monthly premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. Use the comparison tool to evaluate different plans side by side. Select a plan that fits your needs and click on it for more details. Review the benefits, coverage options, and provider networks associated with the plan. If you're satisfied, proceed to enroll in your chosen plan. You may need to provide additional personal information during the enrollment process. After submitting your application, you should receive a confirmation email. Log back into your account to view your plan details and coverage. Take note of important deadlines for payments and enrollment periods. Familiarize yourself with how to access care and customer support through the Anthem portal. Feel free to explore additional resources, such as wellness programs or preventive care benefits. Keep your account information updated to ensure smooth communication regarding your health plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.